Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Search Console API to automate keyword reporting. Complete guides. To connect the Search Console API to automate keyword reporting, first, navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project by clicking on the Select a Project drop-down and selecting New Project. Enter a name for your project and press Create. After the project is created, ensure it is selected in the top drop-down menu. Next, enable the Search Console API. Click on APIs and Services in the left sidebar. Then click on Library. In the search bar, type Search Console API and select it from the results. Click the Enable button to activate the API for your project. Now, you need to create credentials for the API access. Return to the APIs and Services menu and select Credentials. Click on the plus Create Credentials button and choose Service Account. Fill in the service account name and description, then click Create. Assign the role of project and you will see the newly created service account in the credentials list. Click on the service account to open its details. Select the Keys tab and click Add Key. Choose JSON as the key type and click Create. The JSON file containing your service account credentials will automatically download. Keep this file secure, as it contains sensitive information. Now, log into your Google Search Console account. Select the property you want to connect. Click on Settings in the left sidebar. Then choose Users and Permissions. Click on Add User and enter the email address of your service account. Grant it full permissions and click Add. With that set, it's time to start coding. Choose your preferred programming language, such as Python. Install the relevant libraries, including GoogleAuth and Google API Python Client. Next, import the necessary modules in your script. Use the JSON file path to authenticate your service account. Establish a connection to the Search Console API using these credentials. Now, you can make requests to retrieve keyword data. Formulate the request to obtain search analytics data. Specify the parameters, including start date, end date, and dimensions. Execute the request and capture the response. Finally, format the results to create an organized keyword report. Save or export your keyword reporting data in your preferred format. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.